Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Cater on a beautiful day, my friends. So we're gonna be talking about today in this video how to make money on YouTube using keywords. All right, keywords. We're not gonna be talking about this today. We're gonna be talking about making money online with YouTube with keyword. Okay, so now let's go talk about it. Here's how I do my keyword research whenever I want to make videos. So if you're trying to start making money online with videos, here's my best way of doing keyword research. If you go to YouTube, for example, when you go to the main page and you're gonna make a video, let's say for example you're making a video on how to make money online, which is this video is about, how to make money online on YouTube with videos. So the best way to do keyword research, we're gonna keep it very simple, right? I'm not gonna go into the crazy details. I want to give you the simplest strategy that you guys actually can work with. Do you agree with that? If you agree, leave a thumbs up on this video, leave a comment down below, let me know you agree. But here's what I do, very simple. When I'm making my videos, I come to YouTube. YouTube is your best search engine when it comes to get keywords. So I come here and put how to make, you see how I generate a bunch of keywords, so you can see how to make money online. And you can see as you typing whatever keyword that you have, right, the short tail keyword, you have the specific keyword, you put it inside of YouTube, what's gonna happen is gonna start coming up with a bunch of what's called long tail keywords. Those keywords, you can stuff them inside of your video. Now if I'm making a video on how to make money online, this is showing me what people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, how to make money online fast. See that? That's one. So what I do after I put in my keyword, the main keyword, if you look on top of me right now, right after I put the main keyword, what I do, I put other keywords inside of there. I'll start with the alphabet, so I'll put A. So how to make money online would be my keyword, right? Then I put A. A is how to make money online as a teenager, as a kid, as a 13-year-old, affiliate marketing, as at home, see, as a 14-year-old, advertising. See, all those can be keyword that I could be using based on my specific video. Then I go, if I find a couple of, I'm not taking all of them, so if I find a couple, let's say I find how to make money online as a kid, if that's what my video is gonna be about, I put that in there. Then I go B, right? Then how to make money online business, by typing, by posting cards. See, then if business would be the one that I want, I would copy that keyword and put it in my keyword bank. So you would open another, like open a file that you're gonna be using. Let's say for example, you come up with here, let's say you do add a new tab. You're gonna come up, so you open a new window and you'll copy all the keywords that you're gonna use. Okay, so now I'll just come here, right? So while I'm on YouTube looking for those keyword B, so I'd have that, I'll take this keyword, you can't really copy it in here, but you'd have just to write it out. So you'd write how to make money online business, so that would be one of your keyword, and then you come back, so you go from B, now you're gonna go to C, right? C, how to make money online, casino, computer, ClickBank. So maybe business, maybe ClickBank is the next. So I'm gonna put ClickBank in there, right? So how to make money online with ClickBank, how to make money online course Canada. So I'm done with C, right? Then I'll do D, right? So how to make money online daily, how to make money online dating. So this is so easy, guys. YouTube is actually giving you what people are searching for. This is the best possible way. Now I can show you tools and software, but this is the easiest and the best possible way for anyone who's getting started. If you want to do keyword research, you can actually do that to take your game to the next level when you're trying to get keyword and start making money with those keyword, with the main keyword. And the next places I go after that. So now if you want to take it to the next level, this is the easiest way. Now if you want to make video, guys, all you need is a phone. You don't even have to have the best stuff. You don't need the green screen. You don't need all the craziness from the beginning. See, if you have things that you want to share, if you have a niche that you choose, like my niche is make money online, help people understand how to build a business on the internet, entrepreneurship. So once you choose a niche, you can start start letting YouTube teach you exactly what's in there. The next place that I usually go at time is this website called keyword.io. Okay, this one is, if you want to get a little bit more fancy, it'll give you a bunch. You can get, there's a pro, which is a paid version. There's a free version also. Let me see, not this one, this second one. Okay, you could use Google Planner, a Google Analytics, a Google Planner with the Google tool, the Keyword Planner tool with Google. I don't like using it that much because it's more for search traffic on Google. This is more for YouTube, so you can come here and put YouTube. So if I put how to make money online and search for them, right? I'm gonna search for the keywords. This is a free tool, by the way, you can actually use. You can see how to make money online 2018, how to make money online fast without investment. So there's a bunch of keywords here. Whatever your niche is, let's say you're into the fitness, how to lose weight, you do the same thing. It's not just for how to make money online, guys. I'm just showing it to you because that's the niche that I'm in. Look, how to lose weight in one day, how to lose weight at home. Whatever keyword you're in, you put it in. You can do the same thing in YouTube. And if you feel like you don't have enough keywords, you can come to this keyword tool.io and you can make stuff happen. Okay. Another way that I use to actually make money, what I do is with keyword research, I do product reviews. When you do product reviews, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna go to a couple of different websites here. There's a website called Monetizing.com. That's gonna give you many different products that's coming out. Let's say, for example, you have all these products. I'm affiliated with JVZoo. You guys probably already know. Okay, you guys probably already know. So this is gonna show you all the launches that are coming out. Now, when you have those launches coming out, what you could do is to do reviews for those products. You can send the owner of this product a message and tell them this person is I Am Wealth Builder, Internet Wealth Builder, cover t-shirt store. This is about t-shirts if you're into e-commerce, if you have a list. So what you could do is go to JVZoo, you sign up for an account. So it'll take you, this is actually hot right now, it's out, the crypto suite. I'm actually gonna promote this. Let me go. You're gonna click here, it's gonna show you where the JV page is. So you click on tap here. So this product, the front end is $37, the back end is $247. You're getting 50% commissions. So that would mean that every sale that you make, you'll make about 20 bucks, you know, $19. And then the back end, if you're making 50% commissions on 250, that would be another $125. So about $200, $175, $200 per people that goes to the funnel if they buy everything. So you can click on there, you go to JVZoo. I mean, you go to their page, they're more likely gonna have a page, but they're gonna have a place where you can get your affiliate link. Almost every affiliate page is similar. Now it's gonna take you to JVZoo. This is where you acquire your link. So once you go to JVZoo, you create an account, you'll be able to just log in, and then I'm gonna click on it again. After I logged in, it should take me now to go grab my link. See, get my link. More likely you're gonna have to ask them. At first you're gonna have to ask them to approve you for your link, but once they approve you, you just click on get links right there. And once you click on get links, boom, it's gonna come up with, you know, how much you're gonna get paid, and it's gonna give you that link. This is the link that you want to promote. Now if you want to take it to the next level, you can create a capture page if you have services like ClickFunnels, and then you send people to your capture page so that you can build a list, and then you can follow up with other products with those people that's on that list. The reason why product reviews, and when you do product reviews and then you actually take those keywords that I just showed you the strategy, like, you know, like for example, this product is gonna be, what is the name of this product? Crypto Suite, right? Crypto Suite. So I'm gonna go and put keywords for Crypto Suite. Maybe because it's such a new product, you probably won't be able to find it yet on YouTube, but I can find other product that was already there. See, it's kind of new, so nobody's really putting anything. But if you find other product like people had created in the past, you can create similar keyword, like, you know, Crypto Suite review, should I buy it, you know, how much is Crypto Suite, what is this program gonna do? So you can buy the program and become an affiliate, or you don't have to buy it. Go through the sales page. They kind of explain to you what's in there and everything. And then you can give them a review, and boom, that's how you can start making money with doing product reviews, guys, which is so powerful. Another place that I go, so you can go on Monetizing and you can start seeing those data on everything that's coming out. Let's see, they have a couple of different places. They have stuff on Warriors Forum. So any place they put these products they are on, before they come out, what's gonna happen, the people that's gonna come to buy these products, they are buyers, right? They are buyers. They are from a niche. Because what's gonna happen when products like that come out, I send it to my list because I have over 100,000 people on my list. So when I send out an email to those people, there's gonna be a few people on my list that's like, oh, let me go on YouTube, let me go figure out if this product is real or not, should I buy it or not. And then when they come, they see your review, you're gonna capitalize on that traffic. You know, there's other things you could do, like add a bonus if they buy it from you. If you have another product you have full access to, or you bought the whole right, or you have your own product, you can add that as a bonus to the product they buy. And after they buy it from you, they can send you an email, you send them the bonus. That's gonna increase them, that's gonna increase your sales, and that's gonna make stuff happen, guys. This is a couple different ways that I'm giving you. You know, you can actually make money with keyword, because when you keyword these products, they already have keyword. When people search for it, it's something they're looking for. They already have their credit card in hands and they want to buy. So if you can put the product in front of them, you can show them the reason why they should buy from you. You can actually make a killing from that stuff. All right, guys. So this is exactly how I do my product research online to take it to the next level. I hope this stuff is valuable to you. Let me give you one bonus tip. Give it a thumbs up. If I give you one bonus tip and you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. What you could do is to go to places like Fiverr. You can actually get videos done for you. I have a few videos done for myself. Let's say you don't want to be on camera. You feel like, hey Cater, I don't want to be on camera. You can go to Fiverr and you can go to video and animation. You can do different types of video. Spokesperson, you can have someone create video ads for you. You don't even have to be there. You give them the script. So let me go to this spokesperson, for example. I ordered a video not that long ago from her, okay, from the first one. So what you want to do, you can sort it out by best selling, you know, the people that has best selling. So you can have the people that has the best scores and stuff like that. So for $5, you know, this person is $95, $40. So you can, let's say you wanted to make a video about weight loss, right? And your channel is into weight loss. You find this person who can create a great video for you, and you put it up there. You use the keywords that I show you, and you go to ClickBank or you go to JVZoo, any of those websites that affiliate with product, right? You get one product, you become an affiliate of that product. Guess what? You will be making money off that product, off that video. So you can have those people, you give them what you want them to say in the video. They're gonna tell you how much they charge per word. You know, I think it's like, this person is like $95. So she's probably charging, let me see. It's gonna tell you the standard, $195 for 200 words. So, you know, 200 words. So you can literally write down a script, what you want them to say in the video. Don't even have to put your face out there. If you want a chick, if you want a guy, you can choose whatever you want. And then boom, you get that going and you start making money. All right. So I hope this tip is useful to you. Let's take it to a whole next level, baby. That was your boy Cater. If you enjoyed this stuff, take it to a whole next level. And if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, I have a full training that teaches you YouTube. You saw earlier my YouTube pay, like for the last year, like how much I'm making with YouTube, and it's growing and growing, and I show you exactly how to do that. This is a whole other subject. Now what I just taught you was keyword with affiliate marketing and keyword with YouTube. Now if you want to make money where you getting paid from YouTube, from AdSense, you getting paid from your own stuff in the back end, you're creating a full different product. Check out that training. I'm gonna put the link down below. It's a free training. You're gonna go watch the full training and it breaks down how I do it. You could do the same thing. That was your boy Cater. Appreciate you pound that for watching this video. Pow! See you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Bye. We're going through some hard times.